Okay, we are live. Hey, hi all. Good evening. Nice to see you all. Hi, Umar. Thanks a lot for joining. Hi, Satyanarayana. Hi, Pradeep. Guys, able to hear and see me? First of all, I should confirm that instead of talking. Okay. Able to see me? Yes. Okay. Hi, Naresh. Hi, Sheikh Bhai. कैसे हो? सब बढ़िया? Hemant, all good? After a long time, we are on YouTube live. Great, Pradeep. Right. So we will still wait for some more people to join, and then we'll start. What are the projects that you are going to get as part of this free Bootcamp 9 from the Saturday that we are going to start? Also, what are the things that you are going to get along with these projects in the next few months? Okay. So all the things we will discuss. I'm still waiting for people to join. So let's wait for some time. Hi, Mahesh. Thanks a lot for joining. Hi, Ari. Please ask your friends to join quickly so that we can discuss like what are the projects that you are going to get, what are the details, how is the job market, and few of the Q&A also we will do. Okay, so I'm just letting your friends know ki we have started this live. So just one more second, and we'll be good to go. Okay, hello. Yes, all the projects of Bootcamp 9 will be free, so you don't need to worry about any of those things. Okay, done. Hi, Praveen. Hi, Reddy Ishwar Rangani. Okay, right. So first of all, let's start the session. I would like to tell you like what exactly we are going to do from the next set of days. From this Saturday, what exactly we are going to do, we will see. So I'll just share my screen once, and then we will see all the things that you are going to get. Yeah. Good evening. Thanks a lot for joining. All of you are able to see. Yes, my screen visible. Is my screen visible, guys? Yes, no. No, yes. Is my screen visible? Hi, Dia. Thanks a lot for joining. Yes, Dia has joined. Concept list, I didn't get that yet. Okay, great. So let's start like what exactly you are going to get, and then we will see some more things. So this is basically the Bootcamp 9, which I'm going to conduct, okay, starting from this Saturday. Okay, so Saturday at 6 p.m., you all have to join the live session in YouTube. So, where you will get the live session link, right? You have the doubt. Where are you going to get the live session link? So, let me tell you, the live session link will be rolled out to you in Telegram group. Okay, so if you have not joined the Telegram group, which is the link is in the description, you can actually see that and understand like how you can join. Just click that, it will redirect you to the free Bootcamp 9 Telegram group. Now the second thing, those who are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and share the link with your friends. And if you are already old member of the channel, you can watch all the videos and different kinds of content available on the YouTube. Okay, and those who are here from the meetup, those who have met me in Bangalore, thanks a lot for coming down onto that place and sharing all your experience. It was really good. Okay, so thanks a lot for all your valuable time for making it to Bangalore. Okay, so let me tell you what are the things that we are going to do. Now, first thing I'll discuss about the projects that you are going to get in the free course, basically, right? Free DevOps course, which is going to start from this Saturday. Okay. So what are the things that you are going to get? Let me tell you. First of all, I would like to give you a glimpse that I was working on a startup project for last maybe 6 to 8 months. Okay. Which didn't went well, but in that startup project, we have certainly built a team of Android as well as your Java Spring Boot. Okay. So all our applications are either Android or Spring Boot. Okay. And we tried to integrate these two, Android and the Java Spring Boot application. And we have tried to deploy all these things on AWS by using CI/CD pipelines and Kubernetes. Does it sounds interesting? Yes, no? So what are you going to get in the first project? You are going to get the CI/CD project where you will be able to see my company's project, that is Boltomart's project. Does it sounds interesting for you? Right? So Boltomart was a startup project which I was building with few of the people of my, like I have hired few of the people and I was building with them. So this Boltomart project, whatever the project repositories are there, along with that the code, along with that the Jenkins file, along with that the deployment patterns you are going to get. Does it sounds interesting to all? Comment interesting if you are feeling that yes, you are going to learn something. And this I am telling true because I have hired a team also of 12 people. All of you are finding this interesting, then hit a like on the YouTube video also. And after this live is completed, you can comment down your valuable comments on the YouTube video. So the first project, theory plus project we will be doing. So the project we will be doing on Sunday, the theory we will complete on the Saturday. So whatever the Boltomart architecture is there, I'll be discussing on the Saturday class. Sunday we will be doing the hands-on project. Okay, so interesting. Okay, good, interesting. Great. That's great. So all of you ask your friends also to join, because whatever the startup I was working, probably it didn't went well, and that is why I'm going to release those projects for you guys. Very simple as that. Okay, very simple. Yeah, architecture diagram I'll be showing you in Saturday. So this is basically our class is starting from, let me tell you, I'll just remove this. Yeah, so our class is going to start from, what happened? Okay, 1 second, I'll close this up. Yeah, our class is starting from this Saturday. Okay, Saturday at 6 p.m. So you all will be getting the live link only in Telegram. So guys, make sure you are joining the Telegram group and also sharing the Telegram group link with your friends, right? So as I have told you, Saturday you will be having architecture of a project, architecture design of our startup project. And Sunday you will be having the hands-on project on CI/CD. Okay, this will be on Saturday 6 p.m. This will be on Sunday 6 p.m. Okay, like the video. Before we go ahead, I would like to see 100 likes on the YouTube video. So you have to just come onto my channel. So basically you can come here, YouTube, right? Wherever the live is going on, you click on this live and obviously it will take you to this live. Okay, and you have to make a like here. So all of you, I'm just sharing the link. You guys can click on that link. Okay, and make sure you are watching it. Okay, so you are clear with the first what do you call, like, first project? No .NET, there is no .NET application, because we were purely working on Android and Spring Boot. Okay, Android plus Spring Boot, and we were basically building a mobile application. Okay, we were basically building a mobile application. So that is why I was predominantly using the Android plus Spring Boot project. Okay, right? Is it clear? Everyone clear? Okay, please like this video and make sure that you are sharing with your friends also, so that they are also, yes, from scratch, absolute beginners, I'll be teaching you. So you can call up your friends also for learning purpose. Okay, don't need to worry. Microservice architecture, REST API, that's for sure, because all the projects that in 2024 and 2025 you are going to learn are microservice based architecture only. Okay, right? So you understood this, right? So we will be working on the Android part. We'll be completing the Spring Boot project. Let's now discuss about the project number 2, which you are going to get as part of this bootcamp. Now, the project number 2 will be your monitoring project, and this project I have not done any time on YouTube. Okay, so this will be the first time. This will be the first time where we will be doing the projects on the YouTube. So this will be basically elk stack. Okay, so what we will be going to do is we'll be having some microservices with us. Okay, and this microservices will be monitoring with the help of Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Okay, we'll be visualizing logs, we'll be writing queries, we'll be understanding things. So various kinds of architectural components, design components. Basically, I'll be including here sharding, cluster, log ingestion. So various kinds of things are involved in this project. So basically, every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we'll be coming live and I'll be teaching you the complete structure. The first project, again, I'm going to tell you, will be purely based on the architecture diagram of my startup. Okay. And Sunday, we'll be doing a project. And this is the project number 2, which we'll be doing on the second week. Second week, the project will be a monitoring project where you will see the elk stack. Okay. Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Clear? All of you clear? Bhai log? Yes, no? Okay, bhai log, please like the video. And after the live also, comment down if you have any doubts, any queries, where to join, how can you be the part of the bootcamp. Any queries you have, you can definitely reach out to me. Okay, right. Shall we move to the third project? Yes. Prerequisites, no prerequisites. You can definitely join as it is. You can just bring your whatever, like a notebook where you can learn some things, you can write some things and prepare accordingly. Clear? Below, user can't understand through to your tech in 3 days, right? Now, how we are learning in 3 days? It's like 30 days, right? So you will learn, yeah, how to join this bootcamp. Nothing you have to do. You can just come onto this video. You can see here, join this dedicated Telegram group. You can click on this Telegram link. I'm just giving you here. Okay. And with the help of this, you will be part of the Telegram group. You don't need to join anywhere. Okay. So live links will be shared by tomorrow. Okay. So 2 live links will be shared, one for Saturday event and the Sunday's event. Okay. Right. If you all are clear, I'll move ahead. I'll try to make you understand. See, software development lifecycle in any project, it will be there. So you don't need to worry here. SDLC we will learn or any other things will be learned. No, not needed. Yes, it will be from scratch. It will be based on the project scenario. So you can just join as it is. That should be fine. Okay. Shell scripting, I'm not touching this time. 4 projects are there, Shivansh. As of now, I think we have discussed about 2 projects. 2 projects, and there will be 2 more projects which we will be discussing. Okay. Okay. Any more questions you have? Any more questions, queries? You wanted to ask something? Nothing? Okay. AWS Azure purely on AWS because the architecture which I was telling about here, okay, we have deployed all these things on AWS. Okay. So all the things on AWS. Yes. Terraform. Yes, definitely. The third project is Terraform. I'm going to tell you what is there about Terraform and all those things. Notes. I'll be giving you some documents also. So I'll tell you. SonarQube as part of CI/CD will be there. So not an issue. Okay. So let's go for the project 2. So all of you tell me, are you clear with the project 1 and project 2? If you are clear, I'll move to the next project. Yes. All of you clear with the project 1 and project 2? Any doubts you have? Clear? Clear? What about others? There are only 2 people in the class. Explain it once. Okay. Anyone else need an explanation? Like what are the 2 projects? The first 2 projects? Repeat once. Okay. Anyone else? I hope this. Sure. Great. Clear. One suggestion, tell the viewer to have an idea about the tool and tech which you are going in the weekend action, because example, they don't know answer. Yes. Repeat once, kindly repeat once. Okay, anyone else? Repeat once, repeat. Okay, all of you are excited for the Saturday and Sunday. Okay, yes, definitely it will be helpful, Ashwin. Okay, you guys are again asking to repeat. Okay, I'll again repeat once. All of you just listen once more. Okay. What is the project one for CI/CD? We are using Maven or Nexus. Just okay. Okay. Right. I'll do once more. I'll repeat once again. Just listen carefully. Okay. I'll repeat again. No issues. Okay. All of you listen. Don't write anything. Okay. Great. Now, all of you see here, the project one is based on the startup project. Okay. Which I was working for last 6 to 8 months. In this project, we have built an Android application, Android app, basically with a 12-member team. Okay. And this Android application name is Boltomart. Okay. And different kinds of microservices on front end were there. So some of the microservices consider like 1, 2, 3, 4. And some of the front end application, basically an Android application, right, we have used, and these microservice architecture were interacting with the REST API, and all this architecture was deployed on AWS. So you will be able to understand in this project, basically Android and Java Spring Boot microservices will be deploying, and we'll be trying to analyzing with the help of CI/CD. So the complete architecture I will be explaining you in Saturday class. So the Saturday class will be an architectural class for you, and the Sunday class will be the project class. So basically 6 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday, you will be understanding all the things. Clear? Now, tell me, with the first project, are you clear? The first project is basically CI/CD project, which we will try to deploy and will try to monitor. Does it make sense to everyone? No need to use any paid services in AWS. That should be fine. Okay. Now, all of you tell me, Harsha, Rafi, Sheikh, Rahul, clear, all of you, what we are trying to do in the first project. Done. Can we able to understand? Yeah, definitely you will be able to understand. You don't need to worry. Okay. Right. All of you clear? Good. Okay, please like the video if you are clear. Okay, done. Perfect. Right. So let's go to the project number 2. The project 2 will be on the monitoring project. Okay. In this project, we will take the Java Spring Boot microservices and we will try to integrate with Elk Stack. Okay. This Elk Stack also, we will do cluster setup, nodes, shards, and data log ingestion. We will see. Okay. So the second project is all about the monitoring project, where you will integrate all the things of microservices with your project. No, there is no fees. This is completely the free Bootcamp9. Okay. So this is completely free for you guys. You don't need to pay anything. You just need to come, listen with me for 2 hours and then go back home. Clear? Yes. I'll be also sharing some resume templates to talk to you. Yes. Please wait for some time, Omar. We will discuss at the end. Okay. If we miss, yeah. So those who are joining, definitely. Yes, that's what I'm telling. You will be able to get some resume templates and all those things with which you are going to understand. Yes, you will be able to use Docker in the CI/CD. Okay. Okay. Any more questions? Yes, recorded videos will be there, but only for the people, because you will be joining the class. You will be understanding. Live classes are good for joining. Okay. Okay. Let's make it 60 likes. Okay. Now it's 50 only. Okay. Any more questions you have? Or can I move ahead? Any more questions, queries, any kind of thing? Or shall we move to the project 3? Okay, let me go to the project 3. Okay, project 3 is purely a Terraform project where you will be able to understand different kinds of things here. When I talk about Terraform, you will be able to understand how the multi-cloud deployment happens. Basically, we will be doing a multi-cloud deployment of Terraform. We'll be also doing multi-region deployment. So this time, little bit complex patterns we will proceed. Okay, right. This time, little bit complex patterns we will consider. Like, for example, how do you deploy your architecture in multi-cloud? When I talk about multi-cloud, how do you do with the help of AWS and Azure? How do you deploy the clouds onto these two? How do you deploy your architecture on these two clouds is very important, right? So we'll try to see that multi-region deployment. Let's say I have US West 1, I have US East 1. So how do you deploy your architecture onto multi-regions also, West 1 and East 1, right? That's very much important. So that also we will see. Okay, so 1 year experience candidate can add this project. Definitely Shashishar Turaka, you can definitely add. Prometheus Grafana. Prometheus Grafana already I have done so many times in the class. So you can just check that, like previous YouTube videos, you can check. There you will get all the details. Okay. Now, this is very much important because most of the interviewers are asking about Terraform and multi-cloud deployment. Okay. Now, does that make sense to everyone? Yes or no? How do you do the multi-cloud deployments? How do you do the multi-region deployments? Okay. Yeah. Ansible also we can add little bit here and there. I can add those also, Ansible, in the CI/CD pipeline project. Okay. Now tell me, all of you understood like what exactly we are going to do with this deployment pattern here? Yes or no? All of you? By freshers also can definitely join, understand the things. Okay, because I'll be telling very easily, like theory project, theory project, theory project. Okay, all of you clear? Okay, good. I am a second year BTech student. I'll be able to at least get an internship. Yes, why? Definitely. Why don't you think like you will not get? Yes. What about others? Good. Okay, I'll be sharing the Telegram link onto the chat. You can join it here. Okay, this is the Telegram link. I'll just pin it for you guys. Yeah, I have pinned it. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's move to the third project. Okay, third project is completed. Let's move to the fourth project. How many of you know GitOps? Have you heard about this term? Anyone heard about this term like GitOps? Git, we are going to use Git. Have you heard about this term GitOps? If if you are aware, if you have idea. Yes. Have you worked? No. You have not heard, not worked also. Yes. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Yes, no. Okay, few of you are okay. You didn't heard at all about Argo GitOps. Yes, correct. So Ishan is telling GitOps is used for deployments. Okay, right. Okay, so let's see what these are. So basically, as you are aware, like Jenkins, Argo CD, GitHub, TeamCity, Travis. Okay, all these are doing the same thing, helping the developer to deploy the code. Okay, do you agree with me? All this DevOps tools, right? Let's say Jenkins, Argo CD, GitHub, TeamCity, Travis, are helping the developers to deploy the code onto various kinds of environments. Now, Sheikh is telling no. Why Sheikh no? Anything you want to oppose, you want to tell कि नहीं यार ये ऐसे होता है ऐसे होता है. Anything you wanted to add it here? Sheikh, Rahuf Khan. Okay, Sheikh is telling no, that's fine. What do you think? Others, you don't know at all or you don't want to comment? CI/CD is like, that's what, like CI/CD. I'm telling like CI/CD, both. Anything else you wanted to add here? All are silent now. Okay, let's make it fun a little bit. All of you are listening me? All of you are able to listen? TeamCity is also a pipeline. Okay, TeamCity is also a pipeline. Circle CI, yes, obviously Circle CI is also a pipeline. VCS, yes. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to tell you is, in this GitOps, we are going to create the entire file where you write actions, and based on that actions, what are the steps it has to do. So basically the entire GitOps. So basically you are doing some actions, okay, with the help of the YAML file. Okay, so that is what we are going to learn in this project. Very new. I mean, what I'm trying to do is, if you are seeing like project 1, okay, if you are seeing project 2, if you are seeing project 3, if you are seeing project 4, I'm going to tell you all the things which are new. I mean, in 2025, what are the things that are needed for you to get a job, or to become little bit confident than others, to become confident than others, right? And rest all things are there as it is. Clear, everyone? Clear? Yeah, GitLab is also there. Obviously GitLab is there, but my intention was just to tell you on the upper terms. Okay, okay, clear. So we'll be learning also GitOps, one project on GitOps, the theory plus the project. Okay, there are many things which I am going to plan, like up and down we'll be doing. Apart from these 4 projects, you are also going to get resume templates, okay, and you are also going to get mock interviews. Okay, So I'll be doing little bit of mock interviews, little bit of resume templates, and little bit of add-ons, which we will see. Okay, now it's a question time. Those who want to talk with me, I'm giving you the. I'll just stop the screen share. Okay, so I'll just invite those who want to talk with me. You can join the StreamYard link. Yeah. So any questions, any queries, anything with respect to your job search, you have a query, you can join the StreamYard link, which I've shared here, and you can talk with me. Anyone who has any queries? No queries? Okay. If you are shy, you can ask me on the chat also. I'll be replying you. You can ask in the chat also. Okay. So Sheikh is telling basically I'm a non-IT background. That's why recently complete my MBA. That's why, bro. Okay. No issues. You can learn. Okay. Omar is here. Omar. Yes. How are you?
Fine, Praveen.
Okay. Good. So I have recently met you in the meetup.
Meet up.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Tell your query. Yeah.
No, getting less calls in Naukri.
What is that?
Getting less calls in Naukri.
Okay, you are getting calls,
Less calls. Less.
just calls. So like they are not scheduling your interview.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
so what do you think? Like why that is happening?
Like because of like I think
Sorry?
like recession.
No, no. See, Omar, jobs are there. Why
Okay.
you are not getting called? Why you are only applying on Naukri? I told you long back to apply on LinkedIn and all, right? Insta
Yeah,
Hire, LinkedIn.
getting mails. Yeah,
You are applying, right?
yeah,
But you are not getting calls. Okay, what you do now? You will you send your new resume to me if you are
yes.
fine? Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, send it. I'll give you the email ID. You already know, right? DevOps@gmail.com. This mail
Okay.
ID. You just
Hmm.
send, see, follow the 20 pointers checklist and then send the new resume. Don't send me the old one, which you have sent like 2, 3 months back.
No, no.
Okay.
I recently created.
Do the new one and then send. Then I will review. If you send me the old one, I'm not going to review. Clear?
Sure.
Right. Put some projects, make it very good. Think 2 days, 3 days, then send. Okay, na? Right. Okay. Okay. Great. Any questions? Any other questions you have?
When is Google Meet?
Google Meet. It will be in January. We are in talks with Google right now. I will update you soon. Okay. I'll
Sure.
just release a video on that, and you guys can attend. No issues. Okay. Okay. Great. Right. Hemant Ishan is there. Hemant
Hi,
Shashidhar.
Praveen.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi,
Who is
Praveen.
this? Who is
Yeah,
this?
my designation is software engineer QA.
Okay.
Can I move to the DevOps?
Yes. How many years of experience you have?
2+ experience,
Then
2.5.
you can completely change it. No issues in that. You can put like your 2 years into the DevOps and SRE. No issues.
Okay, okay.
Okay, that will be very good actually.
Uh,
Okay.
Hi, Praveen.
Hey, hi Shashidhar. Yeah.
So actually, I had 1 year experience in non-technical Google mapping.
Hmm.
So I'm trying to think to move to DevOps.
Hmm.
So I'm new to every tools, but I had a little bit of knowledge on it.
Okay.
DevOps tools like Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, Docker,
Mhm.
Kubernetes, etc.
Okay. Okay.
So I need a guide like you. So to build every resume and everything,
How many years
including
of
job
experience?
tools. By the October, I got 1 year.
Oh, 1 year only. Na? And what skill you are working right now?
Just I'm trying to think to. I'm looking better coaching institute, but I found Hey DevOps. I
Okay.
reviews are good, so I'm trying to think to join the Prime batch.
Sure, sure. That will be great. So you already have the link, I think. You can check details
Yeah.
and you can accordingly. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Anyone? I think two people I am seeing.
Hi,
Sanju?
Praveen.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, actually, I have 3.5 years experience of IT system administration.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm planning to for resume for 2 years DevOps.
Huh.
In the middle of that, I have worked in Wipro 1.5 years for system administrator. Later on, I have moved to CloudPath for 6 months because it was a night shift. My father was not in a good condition, so I left that job. Present, I am working with BA4K technologies.
Okay.
Recently, I have completed 1 year in this organization. So
Okay.
I'm planning to keep my resume 2 years experience. How can we manage that 2 years
How can you
experience?
keep
Yeah,
2 years experience?
I'm not getting.
No, how can you keep 2 years? You are 1 year, right? 1 year you did previously, then you have gap, then you
No, no,
completed
no.
1 year.
Actually, in Wipro, I have 1.5 years experience in system desktop engineering.
Okay.
After that, I quit the job and I have later on joined CloudPath.
So you don't have any
Cloud,
gap, right? Immediately you
no,
joined.
yeah, I don't have any gap. In the middle of 6 months, I have joined the CloudPath company.
Okay. So total you have 2 years experience, right?
No, 3 years, 3 years.
Okay. So without career gap.
Without career, I have 3 years. But in the middle of the Wipro and now working company, we did only 6 months of CloudPath technologies in 6 months only.
No, my question is you have total 3 years of experience, there is no career gap.
Yeah,
Okay, that's correct.
right.
Leave other things like you did cloud, you are system admin, no, not needed. So your question is
Mm.
how can you show 2 years experience as DevOps, correct?
Yeah, because I have worked in 3 companies. That is the reason.
No issues, no issues. See, many people are jumping different companies and all. See, if I am in your position, okay, what I will do is I'll skip that one middle company where you did 6 months. Now, no one is going
Yes.
to care. No one is going to care. Only the BGV team is going to care about that. Okay.
Okay.
So if I'm in your position, I'll skip that 6 months thing. I'll put a Wipro and the next full. I'll add that 3 months. Split that 3. Put the first three into the Wipro, second three into the new company. Clear? And you completely make your resume like that. No one is going to stop you. You are
First
getting
3 months of
you see 6 months is issue, right? You are telling.
yes, yes.
Split that 6 months, put that first 3 months into the Wipro experience, next 3 months into the new company experience. Then you will have two companies in your resume.
Yeah,
Got it, na?
yeah. Got it. Got it.
Okay. Do that, and only BGV people will ask. At time of BGV, you fill correctly all the things. No issues.
Okay. Thank you, Prabhu.
Yeah, no problem.
This is Shan here, and
Hey,
recently,
Ishan.
I mean, day before yesterday, I have given an interview, right? So you
Yeah,
gave
yeah,
me a
yeah.
feedback that correct your resume. It's like seems like it's a 2 years experience candidate resume.
Correct.
So
Correct.
I've corrected that. I've made some changes. I've entirely have changed my resume, and I followed the 20 checklist. I mean the
Uh-huh.
points that you have given. And by the way, you already know me, right? I'm 9.0 batch
I
student.
remember we had
Yeah,
an
yeah.
interview. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just forwarding my resume on your hey DevOps help at the rate gmail.com mail
Do
ID.
that. Do that.
If you get a time, just give me some
I will do
feedback.
that. I'll do that by
Definitely,
tomorrow.
I'll just if any feedback is there, definitely I'm gonna improve it and
I'll
update.
do that definitely. You just send. I'll do by tomorrow. No issues.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye. Bye. Okay. That was Ishan. Okay. Ishwara, go ahead. Okay. Your voice is not audible to me. Hello. Remove that headphones. Disconnect that Bluetooth and talk directly. Okay. I think still issue is there. Sheikh, you want to go ahead until is it no still issue Ishwara? Yeah. Sheikh,
Yeah,
go ahead.
hi Praveen. Good evening.
Hey. Yeah. Good evening. Yeah.
Yeah, first of all, thanks for hosting this boot camp. This is my first time I'm attending this. And
Yeah.
my doubt is, as per the project 3, you have discussed about AWS and Azure. So
Mhm.
we will be combiningly both working in two technologies, or how is it?
No, on that project itself, we'll just have the accounts and we'll try to deploy.
Okay.
For our entire bootcamp, AWS is the primary one. Okay.
Okay, fine, fine, great. I just now have got one free account of AWS, so
Yeah,
that's why I'm saying like I need to create one free account in Azure. Also, I was asking regarding that.
yeah. Azure, for that project we have to create. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
Yeah,
Thanks a
no
lot.
problem. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So Yoginder, yes. Hi.
Good evening,
Speak.
sir.
Hey, good evening. Good evening. How are you?
Sir, currently I am pursuing 7th semester, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay. So then good. You are pursuing seventh semester. You have come here to learn something. That's good. Tell me, what's your
Yes, sir. I
question?
am little bit experience about the DevOps tools like
Hmm. Okay, your voice is not audible. Can you repeat your question? You are telling you are a little bit experienced in DevOps.
in DevOps tools like Kubernetes or Docker, etc. These kind of things, sir.
Hmm, 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 hmm.
So I want to explore more things about AWS and etc.
Okay.
And then I didn't get any knowledge in my Terraform like these things. So I am an absolute beginner.
Why you are so much? See, what I am telling is, in your college placements are going on seventh semester, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so placements are going on, right? Okay, okay. So have you attended any placements? Anything is coming or
Sir, but
how is
there
it?
are only non-technical jobs, sir.
Oh, okay. They are non-technical jobs. Okay. So you are in seventh semester. So what you are thinking? Like you want to move into DevOps or you like coding also?
Yes, sir.
You like coding
But I am,
or DevOps?
confirm. I want to get DevOps roles.
Okay, okay. So first thing, na, see what I'm going to tell you. Start with Linux. You don't do Terraform. No, nothing is needed. Okay, you are getting me, na? Start with Linux. Try for system admin roles because for fresher, people can give system admin roles easily, little bit. If you go for a fresher interview, walk-in interview, if you go to Hyderabad, Amirpet, or Madhapur area, walk-in interviews, people will take Linux engineers directly. First, start with Linux completely thoroughly know everything like Linux networking, Linux architecture, Linux patterns, all those. Okay, okay, fine. You that's fine. So start with Linux, then you come with DevOps. In DevOps also, if you attend like this Bootcamp 9, where you will be like having CI/CD, monitoring, Terraform, then little bit you will understand things. Okay, what you do from tomorrow, you learn Linux. That will be primary importance for you. Okay.
Currently aspiring AWS DevOps. I know about Linux shell scripting, these
Then what you do
Jenkins, all of things.
if you know Linux, then start with CI/CD, monitoring, security. Like pillars are there in DevOps, right? Monitoring, security, Kubernetes. So these all things do one by one project and keep it in your resume. At least 2 projects should be fine. Okay. And if any company like walk-ins, if anything like direct interactive things, referral, if you get, you start applying for that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. All the best. Okay. Right. Pawan.
Yeah, hi Praveen. Am I audible?
Hey. Yes, you are audible. Go ahead.
So actually, right now I'm working in TCS with a 3.7 years of experience as a system engineer role
Okay.
in cloud GCP. Like in that, I'm well known about Kubernetes and Dockers and Terraform IAC tool.
Mm, mm, mm.
So just now I'm trying to switch the other company. So I don't know what happened. Like in the Naukri and LinkedIn profiles, I have updated with the notice period as 3 months and not even getting a single call. And
Who said you
I
to
need your
update?
yeah.
See, you are in which company? You said TCS, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So update like 45 days if possible. If
Okay.
someone asks, you can tell like you are in a bench. Okay.
Okay.
If they ask proof, leave them. Okay. If they ask proof, like you can tell them like I'm in bench. Recently, I've moved into bench and I'm looking for the projects. And meanwhile, I'm looking for outside opportunities also. At least you can do this until you get the first offer. If you get the first
Okay.
offer doing that, then the confidence will be like to the next level. And then for the second offer, you can tell the first offer's date of joining. You understood?
Okay. Yeah.
You understood? It's like a brain game, yeah, Pawan. Nothing is like
Yeah.
in our hands. If you are not getting calls, you need to do some tweaking on your profile and make sure that you are getting calls and you are applying for the jobs. As simple as that.
Okay, and one more thing, like I want to move to DevOps engineer. So, what are the prerequisites to become as a DevOps engineer? Like
So
apart
whatever
from
you are
that,
seeking,
Kubernetes, CI/CD, and Terraform. Apart from that, is there any other?
monitoring, security, automation, coding. I see different pillars are there. It's not like in one day you will learn.
Yeah,
Coding,
exactly.
now coding is very important. TCS to any other company, if you are looking at, coding is must.
Okay.
Okay.
So, any particular language or in general?
Python.
What?
Python. Everyone is behind Python.
Okay.
Okay. So just check that. It will be helpful.
By applying the DevOps engineer role from TCS, it's not possible. You mean, or
No. I am telling it's possible, but the thing is, you need to work little hard to get good
okay,
companies. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Great. Okay. Thank you.
And
Okay. Okay. So that was home. That was Pawan. Okay. So thanks a lot. I think I have given all the details to you guys. Okay. And what I am looking at is, guys, please join on the Saturday class. Okay. So from Saturday, another 30 days, we'll be ramping up all the things for you guys, and we'll be making sure you are going to get some good projects in your resume. We'll be doing the first project based on the startup which we were working, and I would request you all to join the Telegram link which I've shared in the description, and make sure that you are understanding things and you are learning also. Okay. So any more questions if you have? Okay. Saturday 6 p.m. sharp, join the live session. I'll be sharing the links by tomorrow evening. I'll be rolling out the links for you guys. So make sure that you are joining this Saturday class with the projects. Okay. So Saturday you will have architectural design class. Sunday you will have project. So make sure that you are utilizing the time according to the class timings. So 6 p.m. Saturday, I'll be live. Ask your friends also to come. So this is our channel where you will find all the things. I hope you already know my channel, but still I'm sharing my channel link with you guys so that you guys understand how it is important for you to learn. Good videos are on the way. You can definitely learn from those videos. Coding is required, but not on DSA level. Okay. Coding is required and must and should. Clear, everyone? That sounds good. Guys, please join live class. Yes, 90 days notice period, everything we will discuss. So you don't need to worry about that, because I have overcome all the 90 days, 60 days, different kinds of notice period. So you will be able to understand different kinds of things. Does that make sense to everyone? Yes, no? Okay, before winding up the class, how many of you are going to join this Saturday? Are you going to join this Saturday class? Everyone? Yes, no, yes. Okay, those who are here, I can understand that you will be definitely joining. Okay, great. So please join and make sure you are attending, and also share the channel link with your friends so that they also understand things. Okay, right. Thanks a lot for joining. See you in the next video. It's already 8:50 p.m. I'll do one more live on Friday evening so that you all are set what we are learning, what we are trying to do. That live will be little bit big live. So I would request everyone to join there. Okay. Right. Thanks a lot for joining. Please take care. Thanks a lot. Please take care. Okay. Yes. Great. So Saturday 6 p.m. we all will meet. Right. Bye. Yeah.